Hey everybody, my name is Allison. I work in the Youth Services Department at the McCracken County Public Library, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make yarn birds. It's a super cute and fun craft. Let's get started. I'm just gonna move my camera down here. You guys can see. All right, so you're gonna need your 3 bundles of yarn, 2 eyes, 2 glue dots, and your little triangle beak. So I'm going to take my light colored string first and grab one of the strings out of it because we're going to use that to tie the center of it. I'm going to tie it real tight and double knot it. Just like that. Then we're gonna take one of the colored bundles of yarn and just lay it on top there, nice and smooth. And we're just gonna kind of intertwine them like this. And then we're gonna take one piece of yarn out of the green one and we're gonna tie the green one. Tie it real tight and double knot it. And then we're gonna flip this over and do the same thing with the light colored string. Make sure it's real smooth. Double knot. Here's what it looks like so far. So now we're gonna take our 3rd bundle of string and lay it across here. And then take this and put it over that. And you can take one of your rubber bands that you have and just kind of tie this off so it doesn't get mixed in with the rest. And we're going to smooth this all out and tie all of this together. So I'm going to use another light colored string to tie it all together. Double knot. Like so. And now you can take the rubber band off. And this is going to be your wings. So take your wings and bring them back. Make it nice and smooth. Then we're going to take one of the strings out of the green one. Then we're going to tie it all together. Tie it nice and tight. All right. So here's what it looks like so far. Now we're going to add the eyes and the beak. So you take your glue dots, peel off all the paper, be really sticky. Peel it off and then stick it on the back of your eyeball. And then you're gonna put it right here, like that. There's one. And do the same with the other. Stick it on the back. eyeballs on. And for the beak, all I do, I just stick it in there because the yarn will hold it in pretty well. Like that. And then if you have some scissors available, you can trim up its tail a little bit and make it look a little smoother. I happen to have some scissors right here, and I can just kind of trim its tail up. You can cut its tail however short, however long you like. There you have it. Cute little bird. Now it's got a friend. I hope you guys enjoyed this super cute craft with me. Feel free to post your little birds on Facebook, on our Facebook page, McCracken County Public Library. And this video will be on YouTube. So you guys can go on YouTube and make a bird. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye.